Livingston.
Mr. Speaker, sir, may I know from the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, is there any sanction for the repairing of Ksehpyndeng Road, about 5-6 kilometers, as the road is in very pathetic condition? So while traveling there, we really pity for the sick people, especially the pregnant women. It is really a problem, sir.
Yes, sir. Relating to the repairing of these stretches, some portions which is in devalidated, and this sanction has been accorded, and some portion also the work is on, and I'll make sure that the entire stretch of this national highway is also repaired at the earliest possible, sir.
Expedite the process, sir, as early as possible.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.